In the Lanteria Time and Attendance module, we also have the ability to manage timesheets and keep track of hours spent and on which projects and activities employees are spending their time. In the My Timesheet section, as an employee, I can review the hours that I spend and mark what I'm spending my time on. Through choosing a list of pre-populated projects and activities that have been assigned to me, which have been defined by the HR and the management team, I can select and monitor where I'm spending my time. I can use the clock in and clock out feature to automatically record the amount of time I'm spending on a project, or I can manually enter how much time I believe I've spent on a particular activity. Above, we see the number of hours that are expected for my work according to the working pattern that has been defined for me by the management team, which is something that's configurable. Here I can save my changes and record the amount of time that's been spent. I've spent 8 hours of 8 hours for Wednesday, December 27th, and the label turns green to mark that I've fulfilled my time obligations. As a manager, it's important for us to be able to monitor the amount of time that's being spent on particular projects and activities. As a manager, I can generate a timesheet report to view how much time has been spent on my projects and activities to which I have responsibility. Here I can select a certain period of time, choose the projects and the relevant activities for which I wish to see the report, and choose how the report is going to generate. You see employees versus projects versus activities and how much time has been spent. By clicking View, I can generate the report and I can see how much time has been spent for that project. Or if I change the rows, I can see how much has been spent by which employees. Opening up the total, of course, I can get a breakdown of each of the time spent here. Or on a given day, I can see how that time has been recorded on the particular day for that project, simply by opening here. We can see the individual items in the records for that person. Settings area of our time and attendance module, we can actually choose a monthly or a weekly or never workflow for timesheet approval, in which case weekly or monthly, whenever we choose, the manager responsible for the project or the individual employee's manager will have an approval to review the timesheets that have been logged for the given time period. Likewise, we can choose to make any notes in the timesheet records to be optional or mandatory when logging time. So, in conclusion, utilizing the timesheets and the timesheets reports provides us a comprehensive solution to be able to manage how employee time is spent, to see where people are over or underperforming, and reward them accordingly. Thanks for watching.